In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to multiple Gmail Google accounts seamlessly and effectively. This is a common requirement for those managing several email addresses, whether for work, personal use, or perhaps even school. The good news is that Google makes it straightforward to toggle between multiple accounts. Let's dive right in and walk you through everything you need to know. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your primary Gmail account. To get started, head over to gmail.com. Once there, enter your email address and password, then click on the Sign In button. As soon as you're logged into your inbox, you'll notice that it provides a simple and comprehensive layout, designed for ease of use. In this inbox view, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Here, you'll either see your profile picture or, if you haven't set one, just the initial of your first name. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will drop down a menu revealing a variety of account settings you can manage. It's from this menu that you need to look for and select the option labeled Add Account. This is a key step as it opens the door to adding another Gmail account, allowing you to manage multiple inboxes from one place. Once you click Add Account, you'll be redirected to a Google Sign-In page. Here, all you need to do is input the login credentials for your second Gmail account. Pay careful attention to ensure that the email address and password you enter are correct. Double-check for typos before clicking Next to proceed with the sign-in process. Occasionally, you might be asked to verify your identity via two-step verification. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to keep your account safe and secure. After completing this, you'll now find that you're signed into two accounts simultaneously. Switching between them is incredibly straightforward. Just click on your profile picture again, and a list will appear, showing all the accounts you're currently signed into. Simply select whichever Gmail account you wish to access, and your interface will switch over to that account's inbox. It's almost like having two email inboxes blended into one smooth interface. It's worth mentioning that this feature of signing into multiple Gmail accounts is primarily available on desktop browsers. While smartphones and tablets do offer access through the Gmail app, the method might differ slightly, sometimes necessitating separate sign-ins unless these devices are set up for multi-user access. However, managing accounts on a desktop usually provides you with the full experience without any hitches. By following these steps, you'll save time and reduce the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. With everything clearly laid out, managing multiple Gmail accounts should now be a far less daunting task. Just remember, keep your login credentials safe and enjoy the seamless transition between your accounts. Thank you for following along.